Hey y'all, it's me and my hair's still pink. Gamecock Jenny here, and I'm here with this month's boxycharm. Boxycharm, I think this came on my Facebook feed. It's out from Georgia, from Kennesaw, Georgia. Should that be some good products this month? I know that there were some spoiler videos on YouTube. I did not look at them because I want to be surprised. Just like all y'all want to be surprised whenever you receive your boxycharm. So I really don't blame you. So let's get into this. Ooh, and it's some fall colors here. Yes. And it comes in like this. Okay, and let's get into it. You have the card right here. Explains everything that comes with it. Oh, this is so cool. I'm going to set this right here. I'm going to be no good today. Ooh. This right here, I'm going to look this up. It's a sponge gel, cherry tonica musk body wash infused buffer. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's a sponge, yeah. I think FabFitFun had this a few years ago, but it was a different scent. So, and this is good. This is good. This is good. Good start. Up next, we have the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. And let me tell you, the first one that I just showed y'all, the MSRP is $20. And the MSRP for this one is $60, and this is full size. Let's see what it is for. It's skincare. I'm sorry, it's skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because I don't use the boxes. Except for this right here, I will keep it in the box. I see something I shouldn't have looked. I'm so sorry. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to do, not a swatch. You can't do a swatch. I'm going to show you what it is on the inside. Oh, it's pretty. Pretty and pink. And this little squeezer thing right here, so. Excellent. Number 2. Okay, this is the Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capuccio Lip Butter. So, and the MSRP for this one is $20. We're going to open this one up and see what this one is. Oh, it's like a little bullet. Yes. Yeah, I know I got some Jeffree Star makeup, but not quite like this. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, and it's tinted. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. It's good. And it goes on real creamy. So that's definitely yes. Yes for me. Yes. Yes, dog. Yes for me. Ooh, sorry. And this right here, I'm going to look at the thing so I can get the name of it right. It's Farcelle Privé Quench It's a serum that helps to replenish moisture with the unique complex of low and high molecule weights, hyaluronic acid that staggers molecule weights of the hyaluronic acid and are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both skin surface and in the epidermis, enriched with the replenishing provitamin B5. Yeah, B5, and the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. We're going to open this one up now. Oh, this one's also spongy like thing. Sorry. This one's full size. And the MSRP for this one is $24. Okay. And what I've been looking at, and I did not mean to spoil it. Let's get rid of this. This I don't need. Thank you very much. It's another eye palette. And this one is Pretty Vulgar Nesting Face Palette. Nesting Face Palette offers a beautiful selection of both rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and a creamy glowing highlights. These must-have buildable shades deliver a color playoff and blends like a dream. They're developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfection for contouring your face. So this is a face palette, not an eye palette. I got a whole lot of eye palettes. And the MSRP for this one is $32. And we're going to look at the shades. Ooh. You get a mirror with this one. Thank God. These are so pretty. Does this do a swatch? Yeah, I'm going to do a swatch of Glimmers of BS. You can't really tell with my skin tone. So this is a bronzer. Hush Blush. You still can't tell with my skin tone. So Ego. You may have to do it 2 or 3 more times in order to get the... Ooh, this one shows. Now, this one's a bronzer. This one's a bronzer. Son of a Bee. Oh, sorry. Wrong one. I said most of them ain't going to show because of my skin tone, so do not get mad at me. Next is Mirror Mirror. You have to do it at least 2 or 3 more times. I know with this one's a blush. This one would work for me because it's a blush. I'm going to tell all these other colors. And last but not least, Sun-Kissed Snitch. And I'm going to do this one right here. And you know this one's going to show. And that is the Nesting Face from Pretty Vulgar. I love the drawing right there. I love the cartoon. And we're going to put all these back in here. And the hair color that I used was, I had to bleach it first. Had it bleached professionally, and then I used Arctic Fox Frosé and 2 drops of virgin pink. Oh, sorry. And this is all that you get in this month's. This is not going to work out for me, y'all. Then this is all that you get in this month's box. So all this will be put up and the box will go straight into the trash. And I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like and comment. And this video will be up Thursday along with a little short 2-minute video that I took of my dog. Yeah, he just got his toy today and he was so happy. So look for that also tomorrow. And see y'all on the next video, which will be Inspire Me Korea, which is, how much was this box right here? I'm not really sure. But go to boxycharm.com and subscribe to them. They are really excellent. So give it a 2 thumbs up for my first box and not my last box from boxycharm, because I did upgrade the same day that I subscribed to the boxycharm Luxe. So hopefully I did not get in this time. I'll hopefully get in next time, because I know it's $25 for Boxy Luxe. Someone please correct me on that. It's down at the bottom. It'll be mostly appreciated. And I do want to thank y'all for watching me ramble a little bit. So, bye.